Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. I made a video similar to this yesterday. And before I deleted this file, I started playing with it. And it might give you an idea or two when you're rotating something. So this is all one group. Let's take the Smart Fill tool and we'll use that same yellow. And I want to just fill in this one line. Now what I want to do is take and you could use any color. I'm going to use green this time. Get the interactive fill tool, select that one, and then immediately go up to an ellipse shape. And let's try green this time in the middle. See if it'll make it look a little better. Nah. What color did I use earlier? A blue. Blue's going to make it stand out a little bit more. Now, we've got that weird shape. If we take the attribute eyedropper and we take a sample, watch how the shape changes to the shape of the item. I guess I'm going to get it again. That's pretty cool. Now I'm going to nudge this out, well, or move it out of the way because my nudge is so small. I'm going to Control G to group this, Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to double click. I'm going to put it right on that. It says midpoint. Nope, see, I'm not there. I want to get right there on the edge. Still might not be perfect. I should have left that. And I'm going to rotate it. If you remember from yesterday's video, we rotated it 10 degrees. Sometimes Corel does that. We have to go back to 20. That's a pretty unusual look. And it almost look like cavities and kind of like yesterday, but a little bit simpler. And just playing around, give you some ideas in the future on something else. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.